Hey guys, welcome back from Classic Work. We're gonna do some man stuff today. We're gonna take these trees down. Probably only gonna get one because I don't have a whole lot of time, but we'll get old Neil set up here and I'll start digging around this son of a gun, see if we can't push it over. This is a medium-sized pecan tree, so it shouldn't take too much unless it's got some pretty good tap roots on it, but we'll find out here in a minute. So I got my 12-inch bucket on here. I'm fixing to take this mechanical thumb off. These are great, but they're not great for digging, so we'll put it back on once we get it out of there. But yeah, this should be pretty fun. Stay tuned.
this is either going to be super awesome or I'm going to look like a bum. So yeah, the backhoe, it's moving it, but it ain't quite got enough. I got bad angle everywhere I look, so this is going to be kind of my last resort till I got to call in the big guns. But yeah, predictions are I'm either going to break that branch off, break the chain, spin out, or knock somebody's windshield out. So we'll see. I'm going to set y'all up. Hopefully this will be really cool. I just checked the video and it seemed like it was moving pretty good. I'm gonna give it 1 or 2 more attempts. I just don't want to tear my truck up. But yeah, let's try 1 or 2 more times. Let's hope this does it. That was pretty neat though. Look how much it dug. Of course y'all probably saw all that. Yeah, I guess I'll get over here with the backhoe and we'll try to knock some of this dirt off. That sun gun was deep and it had huge side roots. You can see one of them I had to cut with a chainsaw. So yeah, she ain't quite out of there yet, but we're better off than we were. Get set up, and I don't think hurting traffic over there, so go cut the truck off and we'll work on this for a little bit. Right, really tough. Well, let's see what she does.
That's a rough stump there. It's moving. Coming. I heard it. It's snapping. Got it. That's it. wood.
Well, I got the sun gun in there. But, yeah, that thing looks a lot bigger when it's what, 4 feet off the ground. Let's go do dump truck stuff. Are you ready to go do dump truck stuff?
Yeah, man.
Uh-oh, I knew that was gonna happen. Well, as long as we won't lose it in the middle of the street, we'll be alright. I'll be honest, it don't feel that heavy.
I wonder how heavy it is.
I wish I knew. Maybe some of the guys in the comments can tell me, how much do you think it weighs? Oh, hey, that's a big stuff. That's huge. They're gonna hate me at the city. Like, they're gonna go down there with a backhoe thinking they're gonna push it, and they're gonna be like, this son of a bitch.
Burn them down.
Burn down. I would hit the gas, but I am a little bit scared because I have no chain in here. If we lose that log, that's it. We'll have to go get the catch up.
City gets that one.
That city gets that one, that's right. They get free dibs on it.
Oh. Timber.
He's having a little trouble. You look in your mirror? You see, look in your mirror. Come on back. All right, hold on, I'm gonna pick it up. You can stay there. Alright. This one ain't near as heavy as that other one. Did a good job rigging that. Not high enough. Alright, come on back. Turn that way just a little bit. Turn that way. Alright, on back. On back. Alright, straighten the wheel up. There you go. Come on back, come on back. Alright, hold up there. That worked right there. I probably should have got a little bit further in there. That'll work. Got old Michael here learning the art of the hoe. taking some of that dirt that's banked up high and trying to pull it back down the hill just a little bit. Kind of got a little overzealous. But get it so it ain't so lumpy. When we get a good rain in here, maybe it'll pack a little bit better. But yeah, he's doing good for the first time. Doing good. Taking it nice and slow. Alright, let me catch y'all up on some speed real quick. So you can tell the trees are gone, and we had some rain come through here. You can see where some of the water's still standing. I got all the concrete cleaned off, and I don't know if you can tell, but I've pulled some lines since then. We had a tornado come through here. I think it was a small one, but it definitely ripped down all my little tarps and everything. It twisted the entire frame on that door, so there ain't no point in putting it back, I don't think. I'll have to come up with something else. But yeah, we've had a lot of stuff happen here recently, but you can tell it was some pretty bad wind to push that tin up under the backhoe there. But that's not the worst of it. Of course, it blew my tarps off the trailer, everything. But what's real bad is up the street here, if you can see that excavator. This building, they've been demolishing it here for the last probably 2 months. The building fell on its own the other day. No storm did it or anything like that. They took out some bracing in it and it fell. Luckily nobody was hurt. But that little tornado that we had, there was a wall still standing and it fell against the city's drugstore over there, and there were people working in it at the time. One of them was pinned up under some of the refuge, and she was pulled out. Had firefighters and all kind of first responders and everything like that come up there and get her out. She was unharmed other than being shaken up. The good Lord was looking after her on that one. There was 2 people, I think, in where it collapsed at, and it was a real bad deal. But thankfully, other than scrapes and bruises, probably, I think everybody walked away. So that's a blessing. They're getting over here cleaning it up. But yes, just to go to show you, some things you're never ever prepared for. We do things sometimes we don't know what we're doing, and stuff can happen and you don't always know why. But thankfully something like this, everything turned out okay. But just wanted to let you know what had happened so you kind of get an idea. But other than that, it was very, I hate to say that it only attacked this part of town. Like anything past that way, because it came in from behind us and ran this way. But yeah, that was a bad deal. It actually broke the window in the front door of the store. If you can see the glass, you may can see it in the right angle. But the door went open and then like slammed shut, and it's got a slow shut mechanism on it, so it sucked the door back shut. So it was pretty rough. Yeah, just to give you a little look at that.